Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm still in Czech Republic in Europe, and here is a great opportunity to compare US Toyota pickup, which is Toyota Tacoma, right? And here you can see some kind of pickup with Toyota badge, which they call Hilux. I'm pretty amazed how weird it looks. Look at this bed. Some kind of miniature version of the pickup truck. I'm really surprised. I'm not sure if the camera will really show it to you, but it's really weird. The wheels are small. It's all banged up, this one, but I don't know. To me it looks a little bit more like Nissan or something. If there wasn't badge on it, the lights, right, everything is different. I'm not sure if I will recognize this. Já si to otočím. Jen tak? Jo, jen tak. Aha. And what's funny, the video interrupted because the owner actually came with his Volkswagen and he told me that it's a 2007. So now you can see it's an older pickup truck, right? And you can see how it looks. 2007 Toyota Hilux, I will say, version of our Toyota Tacoma, which is in USA market. So I hope you enjoy something interesting from Europe, and make sure you are subscribed. I will always have more for you on this channel. See you later, my friend.